Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little bit different for you. I was doing some maintenance on the KX65. I got a race coming up May 1st. It's going to be with M1GP at Apple Valley Speedway, and we're doing a 2-hour endurance race. So, got to make sure she's completely topped up. We had a carb leak that I had to take care of, took the carb off, rebuilt that, put some new reeds in. And then I was left with kind of a messy engine. It was just covered in gas and oil and tire bits and everything. So what I did is I took it outside and I hit it with some Super Clean Degreaser, which leads me into the fact that Super Clean hit me up and they want to give you a little goodie bag. So for one lucky winner, we're going to be giving away a bottle of the Super Clean Degreaser and the Aerosol degreaser as well. Stay tuned, I'll give you all the details, what you need to know, and check out this little card up here. It'll be the video of me going through in the entire Super Clean lineup. Kind of look back here. The gas was collecting near the chain and then picking up like little rubber bits. It's kind of hard to get in there, but it's pretty dirty back there. And then pretty dirty back here too, where this is all collecting stuff coming off the carb. I'm gonna go ahead and degrease this whole section here and clean it all up. Alright, so here's the deal. It's going to be US only for this giveaway. We're going to be giving away the Aerosol Degreaser and the bottle of Super Clean. So how to enter. Leave a comment down below with the word super somewhere in it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomly select one on May 2nd. So a week from the time that this goes live. I'm going to filter it by person, so as many comments as you leave, it's still going to count as one entry. I am going to need to contact the winner, so please update your About Me, put your email in there so I can get a hold of you a little bit easier. And I'd like to thank Super Clean for providing these products for our giveaway and supporting the channel, and I'd like to thank you for continuing to watch and helping this channel grow. It's been an amazing journey, and I can't wait to take it even farther. So I'll leave all the details down in the description, as well as a link to Super Clean and the video that I did where I went through the whole lineup. Thank you for hanging out with me in the garage, and I'll see you on the next one.